marketing. What is email marketing? Benefits of email marketing. Why it is important. Email marketing product can be automated. Email marketing make it easy to personalize content for better response rates. You can quickly and easily measure your email marketing effort. How to capture email? Free and paid tool for email marketing. Types of mail. Demo or website. Some myths about email marketing. Morning is the best time to sending email. Responsive design is not a necessity in email. What is automated in email marketing? Examples. The benefits of email automation. More terminologies in email marketing automation. Effectiveness of email marketing automations. Some of the basic terminologies related to email marketing.